Make a polygon of 100 points and 6 sides. Give it a stroke color, but no fill. Increase the stroke value to 20. Turn the polygon. Go for the radial option, in Object Panel on top. Make the instance number to 6, and make the radius 150 pixels. Make a copy of it. Go to Object, and Expand. Swap Fill to Stroke, by clicking Shift, and X. Now go to Shape Builder tool, and delete some parts. Select all, then go to Object and ungroup the parts. Cut the upper part, by Ctrl X. And delete the remaining part. Double-click, to go into the isolation mode. By Ctrl V, paste the part you cut before. Select both objects, and using the key object, align it to horizontal and vertical center. Now select the original object, and delete. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.